Hey guys, it's Mehmet back on Essentially, and today I'm going to be shooting a tutorial video on how to make an easy paper butterfly knife using just these simple cardboards. You can also use A4 paper, it doesn't really matter because today we're not going to be using fancy techniques. We're just going to be doing simple folds here and there and seeing how it turns out. So for the blade I've picked this thing because it already had a pre-cut design like that, and which I really dig. And to add on, I think I'm going to give it a curve just like that, so now it looks like a solid blade. I can actually probably even I'm gonna remove this top part right there because it doesn't look that good. So now here's our blade. So it's gonna be this long, and that isn't too bad. Now, I don't want it to be blue. I'm gonna cover it in yellow, and my safest bet would be to use this, but I feel like this is gonna look cooler, so I'm gonna go with a more golden paper look, a more bronze paper I mean. I'm just gonna cut a little bit, I think that much is enough. So what I'm gonna do first is wrap it around. Actually first I need to make sure the size is good enough. So let's just put this there. Let's measure it. And on this side too. Just like that. Now what I can do is wrap this around. I use a bit of tape to do this. Need to make sure where to cut later on, so I'll just mark it. Oh no, I'd used super glue for this thing, so it's kind of messed up. Nope, I'll fix it later. I'm gonna need a different marker. Let's use this. And right there, a little bit higher. Sort of there. Okay, we're safe to wrap it around. I'm gonna do it very tight. Like that. Alright, that's what I was going to do. And finally I need to make the cut at the top. I think that's good enough. So let's use some tape to cover it up. I'm going to put a straight line of tape going along from the top and pinching it along different places, just like that. There you go. Now that makes it look like it's got a knife edge as well, so kind of neat detail. Follow along for the bottom. And very good. Now we need 2 tiny holes somewhere along there to fit our toothpick in. So I'm guessing right there and right there. So let's start to drill. There's 1 and there's 2. Make sure this passes through. Make sure that passes through as well. For now we'll leave it at that. Now let's work on the handle. So for the handle we're going to use this, which will fold in half, and again fold in half. So that way we have got a handle. Actually I need to do a little more folding proper, and I'll cover these up as well while I'm at it. So here are the handles, and it took a while to make because I had to figure these out, the place of the holes, and this is how it looks so far. I'm going to try and put it together next. So let's see how it goes. Need these to go through there. There's 1, and do the same for the other one. But it's not. There you go. So I've got the handles in place, and this is how it looks. So I can just close it and then sort of smoothly open it. I don't know how to use it, so this is as far as I can do right now. Oops. Okay, it's closed. And one cool feature is it's super tightly closed. It can be, at least, so like that. And that will be very useful if you want to keep it close to you in your pockets. Now, one more thing I need to do is going to be putting some glue there so these things don't come off. So I'm going to do that real quick. Don't need these to be that long either. Okay, I'm going to do this step off camera. So here's our final product, and it's very compact and it can open up pretty easily like that. And there you have it, a butterfly knife. I ended up putting some glue there to make it so that it won't open up. And I don't know how it works, but something like that. I'm gonna have to learn some tricks on it. So yeah, that's about it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you got some inspiration to do some paper crafts. And if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment me down below what should I do next in my next video, and share my videos. Thank you, bye bye.